Did it just growl?
That's not a growl, that's a dragon!
One speed only, turbo or nothing.
Let's race! Winner, guess!
My secret apple pie. 1 lap, 3 lanes, 400 meters. No rules.
More seeds, more points, right?
On 3! Hold your noses!
1, 2, 3.
Emma Seed Confetti Cannon!
Precision, not mud.
Who needs hands?
Tastes like victory! And dirt!
Start line, finish line, Burke, same stick. Zero mercy.
Ladies first, if any lady can climb.
I'll try to contain my excitement.
Straight line, 3 lanes, no cheating.
Much. More seeds equals more points, right?
Cruise control organic gack. The slower we go, the closer lunch is.
Pit stop station, just in case Turbo grows teeth.
Spectators stay behind fence. Imaginary fence.
Minor detail, no brakes. That's what mud is for.
On my whistle.
Lunch is disappearing.
Wahoo! Push it to the limit!
Hold on tight, we're almost there.
Oh my goodness, slow down!
Steady now, steady. Whoa! Wait a second, where's the...
Drifting saves fuel.
Emergency lunch deployed. Gentle animals, no shoving.
Did it just... burp? Burp?
Hey, avalanche, dead ahead!
We need a break, not a brochure!
Collision in T5 seconds.
Note to mechanic, install steering that works.
Plan B needs Plan C.
Newton's third law, Bink. Out.
Forward it is, through the salad. Ta!
Hayride Express.
Distributed farming.
Hay-bale? More like hay-gun.
We're almost at the fence, Ruby. Look, the bee zone sign. Maybe we should turn back. Those bees sound angry.
Fuzziness district dead ahead. If I can't see them, they can't see me, right?
Fashionable and functional.
Allergy-free love, let's roll!
Single file, no weight limit posted. Comforting. DIY suspension? Don't try this at home. Incoming treble clef. Rivers.
Olympic gymnastics, minus the leotard.
Let's plow!
For horsepower, literally.
If you can't stop, move the target! Apple pie time, sort of.
One pie, 3 champs. Math checks out.
Equal shares, 0 fights, patent pending.
Peace, love, and pastries. Next race, we upgrade. Brakes optional.
Ready for tomorrow's chaos. Spork included.
Call me Captain Carbohydrate.
Next episode, the runaway pumpkin.
See you next harvest.
See you next harvest.
See you next harvest.
Lights out. Charge tomorrow. Look at that sunset, Ruby. It makes all the hard work worth it.
It truly does, Mono.